UI in many games doesn't work well on ultra-wide or high-resolution monitors. I'm gonna show you how to make UI that works on all screen sizes and aspect ratios. So let's dive into Godot. I'm gonna make this a user interface scene, and I'm gonna add a label, and I'm just gonna give it some text. Some people may just position it wherever they want to. Let's say here. I want another one in the corner right here. Maybe this is a health bar or something. And maybe another one in the top corner here. Let's say this is a map or something. And if I were to run this now, I can see them. But if I change the scale, I may not be able to see them, depending on the aspect ratio. And a way to fix that is to anchor it. So if I select the one I want to put in the center, I can go to this one, the green symbol in the middle here, and it's presets for anchors. And I can select the center preset, and you will see that it has a green symbol on it right now. And it will anchor around that, so I can move it up if I want to, but it will still be anchored around the green one. I can even move the anchor around, but I'm gonna keep that center and also keep the text at the center. Next I can select this one, which I want in the top right. So select anchor and do top right. This one I don't want in the corner. I'm gonna drag it out a little bit and something like that. And this one, which I want in the bottom middle or center bottom as they call it. I'm gonna select that anchor, drag it up a little bit. And now if I run my game, it should change with the screen changing on all aspect ratios. And if I were to add a sprite 2D, and I'm gonna drag in a texture and scale it down a little bit, something like this maybe. And if I run my game now, if I full screen it, it's the same size. And if I make it smaller, it's not anchored right now, but you see that it doesn't change the size of the text, for example, even though the screen is a lot smaller. And if you want it to change how big it is, depending on the screen size, you can go into the project settings, and under window, you want to go down to stretch, and you want to set the mode to canvas items. That's basically all the UI nodes in Godot. So now if I run it again, even the sprite should scale with the game, and so it does. You will have black bars with this though, if you do this for example, but it does retain the size that it should be depending on your resolution. And with this, you can make it work on any devices and sizes. Thanks for watching, and shout out to my Ko-Fi members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.